Once you receive the printer, please inspect the appearance of the printer, no deformation, no loss paint, especially for this carriage. Check if you have a metal fixture on the carriage there. If so, you'll take it down. We are going to get the power for the printer. First, plug the general power cable. And turn on general power switch. At the front of the printer, they have an emergency button. Rotate it rightwards, get power for the printer. The display lighting is proving the printer working normally. At this point, we can continue next step. Right now, we inspect if the control panel is working normally. Press button left, carriage will move leftwards. Press button right, carriage will move rightwards. Press button in, the pattern will move in. Press button out, the pattern will move out. Press button up and down, the pattern will go up or down. Press the clock button, the carriage will back to home position. Please kindly follow what the video showing to plug network cable. After you finish, you can continue next step.